Do you want to see how you can automate your WhatsApp conversation for your business so that whenever you receive a new message on your WhatsApp, you do not have to reply to these repetitive queries manually. Instead, the AI agent is going to handle it for you. Here I'm going to show you how I've created this WhatsApp AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. So I have created this entire agent. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and let's suppose I'm running an astrology business. So I'm going to send a query related to that. What astrology service do you offer? I have sent this message. Now, if I receive the reply based on the same question, then this is going to show us the WhatsApp AI agent which I have created using this Pabbly Chatflow. It is working fine. So here we have received the response. Hi, I offer the following astrology services. Currently, love and relationship, career and business, finance and wealth, remedies and solution, premium consultation. So here it has provided me a detailed message. I am going to ask another question. I'm facing issue in my career. What should I do? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me this message. I'm sorry you are going through this. I can help with career and timing. We offer a detailed career and business guidance reading for rupees 799. It includes job growth outlook, best timing for a switch and success insight. So we have to give these details and it has provided the rest of the details for the payment. I'm going to ask another question. Which gemstone should I wear? So let's wait for the reply, what reply it gives me. And here it is. I have received this message. Great, I can help with that. Gemstone recommendation are offered under remedies and solutions service, which is this price. To provide accurate recommendation, I'll need these details from you. So the payment is this, delivery report timing is this, and then the note. Astrology gives guidance based on a chart but can't guarantee outcomes. Would you like to proceed? I'm here to help. You see, I'm receiving a very logical replies based on whatever query I'm sending. And this is how your AI agent is going to work and automate the WhatsApp conversation for you. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this, let's start creating this from the scratch. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot which can automate our WhatsApp conversation. For this, first we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser, and after browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here I will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add a WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can also use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left-hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. The detailed video is available in the description. You can check that out. Now we have to create an AI agent. On the left hand side, we get this option of AI assistant. Let's open this. We have landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. To create a new AI assistant, you simply have to click on this add AI assistant, and let's first name this as Astrology chatbot, and then simply click on this add AI assistant. Here we are landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this AI assistant. On the left hand side, you can see this AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and styling. We need to fill in all these details to create this chatbot. The first one is AI instructions. I'm going to select the instructions type as AI agent. As soon as I've selected the instruction type, the instructions are automatically added. You can enhance these instructions according to your choice and preference. Moving on towards the next, we have this AI configuration, where the first one is this temperature. Here it is written, set how the creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. If I go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will enhance. So I'm going to keep it as 0.7. The AI to use will be OpenAI. The model will be GPT-5 mini. Now here you can select the model according to your choice and preference, and I am on the paid version of OpenAI. So here it is necessary that you also have the paid account. Then we have this API key. Now here I've already added my API key. I'm going to click on this connect and you will see OpenAI key saved successfully. Now over here in the help desk, a hyperlink is provided, and if I click on this, I will be redirected towards the API keys page of OpenAI. To create a new token, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is testing. The project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you have to copy and paste that over here. The next one is this AI assistant settings. Now, if you want the header message and the footer message, you have to toggle on these buttons, enter the message, and it will start displaying. Then we have the stop keyword. Now, when the user do not want to get the replies from the AI agent, or when the matter has to be escalated to the human support, then the user can send the stop keyword and the AI will stop replying. How to enter? Enter the word and press enter. In this manner, you have added the stop keyword. You can add multiple stop keywords. We have this retry attempt. When the API is not responding or when the AI is not able to resolve the queries, then the number of attempt which is given to the AI agent is this retry attempt. The valid range is 1 to 10. I'm going to toggle this off for now. Then we have this fallback message. Now when the API is not responding, the AI will not be able to resolve the queries, then this fallback message will be sent. What you can also do, you can add your contact details of the company information, so that if the queries are not resolved, the users can contact you directly. Moving on towards the next part, which is this knowledge source. I'm going to select it as upload file, go towards this cloud, and then I'm going to upload the file. I'm going to click on this add new file, go towards this cloud, and I have downloaded the file, which I'm going to select and open, and then click on this upload file. So here one file uploaded successfully. So this is the file which I have uploaded. I'm going to select and insert this in this manner. I have uploaded the file. Now I'm going to open the file which I have created in Google Docs. So here it is. AI chatbot knowledge base, brand Astro guide. I have provided the business overview, service offered, love, relationship, career, business, finance, remedy, solution, user data collection, customer intent handling, intent book consultation, intent payment, intent session delivery, service delivery types, delivery time, refund policy, complaint handling, sales and conversion, offers, support, human handover, AI personality roles, sample conversation flow. You see that I have provided a detailed knowledge about my business and my service. So you have to create a very detailed knowledge base, and here you have to provide all the details of your product, services, and then you have to download this in .txt or .pdf format, and after downloading this you have to upload over here. If your PDF has images, the limit is up to 10 pages only. Moving on towards the next part, here we have this assistant interface. So you want to change the heading, it can be changed over here. In the preview you can see this, it will start displaying like this in front of the users. If you want to keep the subheading, you can keep it. If you want to remove, you can remove it. Then we have this initial message. So in the initial message you can add 2 messages, and using these 2 messages your AI agent is going to reply to the users. Then we have this display by powered by Pabbly. I have kept it enabled. I'm going to disable this and it will be removed from here. Then we have this footer text where I have added the privacy policy, and in the footer link I have added a link to privacy policy. Then we have the user first message where I have added I need help. Now it is not necessary that whenever I receive this message I need help, only then my AI agent is going to reply. It is going to reply based on any message. Moving on towards the next part, here we have the styling. So over here I have selected the theme mode as light. I'm going to keep it as dark and it will change over here. Then we have this assistant shape where I have selected circle. You can select it as square, rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle only. Then we have this assistant background color, text color, button color, chat bubble text color. You can set this according to your choice and preference. I'm going to keep all these details default only. Then we have this header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. So you can update these details simply by uploading the images just in the manner we have uploaded the knowledge base. You have to click on this cloud and then you have to upload that particular image. Now here we are done creating this AI agent. What we have to do next is toggle on this button to keep this active. If we do not keep this active, the messages won't be sent, and then we have to save this. If we do not save this, all this will be lost, and here it is, AI assistant saved successfully. You can also embed this AI assistant to a particular website using this code to that website, and whenever someone will click on that, they will be redirected towards the WhatsApp conversation. Moving on towards the next step, here I am going to show you how you can enable this AI assistant to a particular chat, to a particular group, or to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side we have this inbox. I'm going to open this inbox in a new tab. So here I am on my chat. I have to select this choose AI assistant, select the AI assistant which I've created and simply save this. In this manner, I've enabled this AI assistant to this particular chat. But doing this manually and to a particular chat is very time consuming and illogical. So what we can do, we can assign this AI assistant to a particular group or to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side, we have this option of settings. I'm going to open the inbox settings in a new tab. So here I've landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I will get this option of AI auto reply settings. I have to keep this enable AI auto replies on, and then I can select the list and select another AI assistant to that particular list. Add more rules, select another list if I've created and select another AI assistant to that particular list, or select all the contacts and select the AI assistant to all the contacts. Simply save the rules, and in this manner the AI assistant will be assigned to the particular chat, particular group, or to all the contacts. So here we have learned how we can assign this AI assistant to the chats, how we can change the interface, how we can guide our AI assistant to reply in a particular manner, and how we can create the knowledge base in a detailed format. This is how we have created this AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot to automate a WhatsApp conversation. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.